Hello watch people, welcome back to the channel. This is the bald watch guy. So today is just going to be a quick unboxing of one of my watches. So you can probably guess which brand it is. You definitely can now. So we've got Rolex Oyster Perpetual 41mm. This is 2024. It's one of my collection. I wear a fair bit. To start off, you've got the service book and the user manual. You've got the card, which is a Switzerland receipt, got the green hang tag, Rolex model tag, and then in the box we got the watch. So on this nice cushion, so it fits lovely in the box without damaging your watch. The box is really good quality as well. Just going to show it on the wrist quickly. I love the way this fits the wrist. It's a lovely watch. Real good quality. The most expensive one in my collection so far. Hoping to add a few more soon. But for now, yeah, this sits at the top of the price range for my collection. And I'm going to show you a few more. I'm going to do a few more unboxing videos of some of my collections. So keep an eye on the channel for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and then you'll see more content from me. Cheers, bye.